Hi everyone! We are going to be making a simple and affordable cabbage soup. It will take half an hour. Let's get started. You will need the following ingredients: 3 carrots, 2 potatoes, 2 onions, half of a cabbage, 1 leek, 2 garlic cloves, 1 turnip, 1 tablespoon of salt, and a few drops of olive oil. Now it's time to peel your vegetables. Cut your cabbage in half and slice it. Chop the rest of your vegetables. Put your vegetables in a cooking pot and cover them with water. Turn your stove to medium heat. Let them boil for 20 minutes until your vegetables are soft. Add salt. Blend the soup until it's smooth with a hand blender. If it's too thick, add water. Add the cabbage. Add a few drops of olive oil. Let the cabbage cook for 3 more minutes. Bom apetite!